Meet Sarah, a diligent project manager facing a relentless flood of bugs. Sarah's project is soaring high when suddenly, bugs descend like a digital storm. While Sarah is working overtime, Amit, another project manager, and his team is still working in regular shift and happy, despite dealing with a high volume of bugs. What is Amit doing differently than Sarah? Why is Amit's customer still happy while Sarah is badly struggling to even face the customer? Let's dive deep into Amit's secret process of bug management. It all started with accepting bugs as reality, a mindset shift. He discovered that bugs weren't the enemy, they were companions on the journey. Understanding that bugs are an inevitable part of any project, he embraced them as learning opportunities, not sources of embarrassment. Be it COVID or a communication disturbance with the Mars rover, a bug is a reality of life. What's in scope? As a seasoned project manager, Amit knew the SOW has quality-related expectations. He checked the SOW to find the definition of critical, major, minor bugs. He also checked if there are any clauses suggesting how many critical, major, minor bugs may be allowed. To his surprise, he found that he is only required to fix critical and major bugs. The bug volume instantly shrank, and clarity emerged. Amit devised a 5-step strategic approach to tackle the bug menace. Holistic view, comprehensive understanding, customer collaboration, sprint planning, continuous improvement. Let's review each step in detail. Holistic view. Amit needed to gather the bugs together to get a holistic picture. He created a separate board that shows only bugs. Amit skillfully created swim lanes to distinguish the critical bug from the minor. He also created swim lanes showcasing bugs lacking vital information such as description, steps to reproduce. This board was now ready for strategic planning. Comprehensive understanding. Having worked on this project for a few weeks, Amit was familiar with the requirements. He decided to first attack the critical bugs. He meticulously matched them with the SOW and original ticket requirements, identifying scope changes and labeling them accordingly. While reviewing, he also started categorizing the bugs as critical, major, or minor, as per the wording and definition from the SOW. He started attaching these bugs to their epics or parent tickets so he can keep track of broken functionality. He also started labeling bugs based on the technology involved, such as back-end or front-end, etc. Amit's technical lead reviewed all the bugs marked as scope change. Amit was feeling very happy now that bugs are categorized by priority, by scope change, by functionality, and by technology. The bug volume shrank further, and the next level of clarity emerged. Customer collaboration. With bugs ready for scrutiny, Amit invited the customer to the bug triaging meeting. In a series of meetings, he walked them through the SOW, categorizations, and critical bugs. With the technical lead around, he walked the customer through all the critical bugs and negotiated every requirement. He got the customer aligned on priorities of the bugs. The customer felt empowered, choosing priorities and actively participating in bug resolution. Sprint planning. Amit, always mindful of a healthy work-life balance, seamlessly integrated bug resolutions into sprint planning. The customer and development team agreed on which bugs to tackle next, ensuring a workload that matched the available capacity. Continuous improvement. While things falling in place, it was important to identify what caused these bugs. He started reviewing bugs in respect to the original story. He started labeling tickets with root causes. He discussed the top 3 root causes in the retrospective meeting to promote continuous improvement. Conclusion. Amit emerged as the hero of bug management. His journey, filled with mindset shifts, SOW wisdom, bug organization, customer collaboration, and continuous improvement, became a roadmap for project managers seeking victory over the bug chaos. Amit's approach offers a blueprint for conquering bugs and leading projects to success. Thanks for joining us on this bug triaging adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy project managing!